Hi all, this is Jennifer Wygant. I am in the nursing education program, and I'd like to talk to you tonight about a couple of sources of media that can be used in nursing education, both of which I found out about at nursing conferences, not necessarily education conferences, but they were used by leadership and by speakers for nurses. The first one here is Kahoot. And Kahoot allows you to build your own questions and build your own testing. You can make your answers as simple as yes, I understand, no, I don't understand. You can give choices of what a question and answer might look like. You could do select all that apply. When you build your information and build your tests, they often give you a scenario based on what your topic is. And now you can replace this with a prompt to explain and discuss the new answer the blind question. So there is no answers or choices given. You have to come up with that on your own. And perhaps there really is no answer. And the answers you can choose are, yep, I got it, or can you explain that again? And then you can poll the class on how well they understand the information. And then you can replace that information with a reinforcement question. And then you can give the yes or no. So after they've said, yes, I got it, perhaps the next question is something on that topic. And then it will really be apparent to them whether or not they know it. And at the end, you're able to download and show all of the answers that have been compiled throughout your quiz, and it will be shown up on the board with no names or identifiers. But if you have 50% of the class who is still unsure on a topic, you'll know that you'll need to go back and revisit that topic. The next form of technology I'd like to share with you is Quizlet. Quizlet is a great site that you're able to make your own quizzes and tests, or you can choose from a topic and customize that to what you're looking for. So here's one about cardiac assessment. And it shows you the test that they're doing. It gives you some information. It allows you to choose the correct answer. You can also do fill in the blanks. There is also spelling and pronunciation, especially in nursing. That's very important. And they have flashcards that you can look at, so you can just run through quickly and see many, many different topics. And the flashcards here are then scrolled down at the bottom. So if you miss one and you want to go back and see that, you can see that again. You can also hear it, so you can hear the pronunciation of some words. A couple of articles that I found that were very interesting. This article was published by our textbook company, Wolters Kluwer, The Future Technology of Nursing Education, the what and why of technologies used in today's nursing students. And they did find, and research is showing over and over again, that a majority, in this case 82.9% of the students, say that technology is enhancing their learning. We do have to meet the students where they are, and if technology is where it is, then we definitely need to be more versed in the forms of technology, how we can use it in the classroom. This last article I found very interesting about social media and teaching students boundaries and how to use social media responsibly. And time flies when you have a timer on. So thanks so much. I look forward to learning more techniques from the videos that you have posted. Have a great night. Thanks.